If you've been thinking about buying an iPad mini 7, or if you're clutching your old mini 6 hoping for a sign, I need you to listen very, very carefully. We are standing at the edge of a massive pivot in Apple's tablet strategy. While the Mini 7 was a silent refresh to get Apple Intelligence working, the rumors and supply chain leaks coming out for 2026 are pointing toward a total transformation. It's called the iPad Mini 8, and for the first time in the history of the small iPad, Apple is finally listening to the power users. I have spent the last few weeks digging through the latest leaks from Samsung Display, internal code discovered in iOS 26 builds, and reports from insiders like Mark Gurman. What I've uncovered isn't just a spec bump. We are talking about the OLED revolution, a radical new approach to audio that removes speaker holes entirely, and a chip so powerful it's currently being tested to leapfrog the current generation. In this video, we are breaking down everything. The 8.5-inch OLED display, the A20 Pro 2nm architecture, the return of true water resistance, and why the iPad Mini 8 is officially being built as the iPhone Fold alternative. If you want to know why 2026 is the year the Mini finally becomes a pro in everything but name, you cannot turn this off. Let's start with the headline that is currently setting the tech world on fire: the death of the LCD. For years, iPad Mini users have suffered. We've dealt with jelly scrolling, mediocre contrast, and blacks that look like dark gray. But according to reports from display analyst Ross Young and supply chain whispers from Korea, the iPad Mini 8 is officially moving to OLED. This isn't just a small change, it's a total visual reset. We are talking about a single-stack LTPO OLED panel. While it might not be the tandem OLED found in the M5 Pro, it brings true blacks, infinite contrast, and a level of vibrancy that will make your 4K movies and high-end games look like they're painted on the glass. But here is the crazy part: the screen is getting bigger. Leaks suggest that by using flexible OLED technology, similar to how the iPhone X slimmed down its bezels, Apple is increasing the display size from 8.3 inches to a massive 8.5 inches. And they're doing it without making the device itself any larger. It's the same pocketable footprint we love, but with more screen real estate. It's a cleaner, more immersive design that finally makes the Mini feel like a premium, modern piece of tech. Now let's talk about the brain of this device, because this is where the leaks get controversial. Up until recently, everyone expected the Mini 8 to feature the A19 Pro. But new analysis of internal Apple code suggests that the Mini 8 might actually leapfrog a generation and debut with the A20 Pro. We are talking about the world's first 2nm mass-market chip. Why does this matter? Because 2nm architecture is the holy grail of efficiency. We are looking at a 15% boost in raw speed, but a staggering 30% improvement in power efficiency. For a device as small as the Mini, which has limited battery space, this is a game changer. It means the iPad Mini 8 could potentially be the first full-day small tablet, even under heavy gaming or AI workloads. And speaking of AI, the M5 and A20 Pro chips are being built from the ground up for Apple Intelligence 2.0. This isn't just about Siri summarizing your emails. We are talking about local, on-device large language models that can generate video, edit complex photos, and manage your entire digital